your day 2 Christmas treat. It's a giant Santa Claus cookie. Oh, does that smell nice? Oh, hang on, we gotta share it with Harper. Okay, I think you guys are gonna split this one because this is a huge cookie and I don't think you guys need the whole one, huh? The guy's like, I need the whole cookie. Kaiser Duke, good boy. Harper. Good girl. Good morning, you guys. I just woke up, made myself some coffee, gave the dogs their little advent calendar treat, and now I'm working on getting up Vlogmas. I just made the thumbnail, and I think this is gonna be my thumbnails for this year. I think they're so cute. They're different from what I normally do, but I just feel like they're very like cozy and I like them. So currently working on that, and then I'm editing Vlogmas day 1 to get that all up. So that's what I'm kind of doing right now. I lit my new peppermint mocha candle from River Birch, and it smells so freaking good. It's like, it just makes your whole house smell like peppermint mocha, and it smells so, so good. So I'm probably gonna be sitting here for a couple hours to edit and everything, so it typically takes a hot minute. So I'm gonna do that, finish drinking my coffee. I'll probably make some breakfast, and then I'll check in with you guys a little bit later. I just finished getting Vlogmas up and everything like that. I should have put on my eye patches earlier, but I just didn't. So we're gonna put those on now. But last night was so much fun. I loved getting to ice skate so, so much. And it was nice because like, since it was like a weekday night, there weren't that many people there. And then we got tacos last night, which was super fun. So it was overall just a really good night. We didn't get back probably until like midnight. So as soon as I got home, like I just kind of took off all my makeup and then went to bed because I was really tired. So that's why I didn't really film last night, because I literally just went to bed because I was so tired. And then I woke up, I kind of woke up late this morning. I woke up around like 10 a.m. So I didn't wake up like super early because I did get to bed super late. So we're having a little bit of a slow start to the morning, but I have a lot that I need to get done today. I'm about to take this detox shot. It's by the brand So Good. So you guys have probably seen these before on my channel. I love them. This one is the Detox Coconut Lime with Blue Spirulina and Kiwi Fruit, and it's a probiotic shot. So good. These are my favorite. I really like the, I think it's a, there's like a pineapple something detox one too that's really good. So anyways, but grabbed some of those the other day at Target because they were on sale. Okay, so I have lots to do today. I need to film something today for Walmart Fashion and like To Know It, because I'm working with them on an Instagram reel. So I need to film that today because that one needs to go up today. Thankfully, that's not one that I have to like send over for approval, which is nice. And then I think I have a few other things I need to get done too. So I don't know what Christmassy thing we're gonna do tonight. Maybe we'll make cookies. Maybe, I don't know what we'll do. We'll see. Maybe we'll go see Christmas lights. We'll find out what we're gonna do, but either way, it's gonna be so much fun. Also, I got in this new like super fluffy cozy robe from Amazon, because my other one, you guys probably saw it, had this like, I think it was on this side, this big like foundation stain that just like would not come out. And also I got that one I think in like a large or extra large, so it was like a little bit too oversized. It was like really bulky, it would like bunch up around like the back and everything. So I reordered one and I got this one in a size small, and I think it just like fits so much better, and it's like super warm and cozy. So I'll have this one linked down below as well if you guys want to check it out. It would make a great Christmas gift and everything like that. I also just washed and filled up my new water bottle that I got from Megan in yesterday's vlog. So sweet. It's literally such a pretty water bottle, and it's just stunning. I love it. If you guys haven't drinking any water today, this is your daily reminder. Go get a water bottle, fill it up, drink it, stay hydrated. You'll feel so, so much better. Maybe we should just make this like a Vlogmas thing, like see a drink, take a drink hydration version, so that we're all staying hydrated this month together. Because I don't know about you guys, but I'm like the worst at drinking my water. So I don't know, maybe we'll do it. See a drink, take a drink. All right. Okay, I just finished getting ready. I decided just to leave my hair in a ponytail because I want to work out later, and I didn't want to like fully wash my hair just to like work out and then like shower again. And I feel like since I'm shooting more cozy looks, I'll show you everything that I'm doing in a second. I feel like it's just fine to have it in a ponytail. So we're going the ponytail route, I think. I just got all the stuff laid out to film this reel. So I'm kind of doing like, I don't know whether I'm going to title it like a cozy essentials or maybe like a cozy gift guide from Walmart, but this is all the stuff that I picked out. Walmart honestly has really been stepping up their game, and I actually really genuinely like their stuff. So I'm super excited that I get to work with them. But the first thing I got is this really big like cozy robe, which by the way, like this video is not sponsored. It's just the reel that's sponsored, but I just wanted to show you guys these in case anyone like does want some cozy pieces, because they're genuinely amazing. But I got this huge fluffy cozy robe, which is like a fun Sherpa on the inside. It's kind of that like faux fur on the outside. I'll show you guys it on. And then I got these 2 sweat sets that are kind of this like fun, I don't know what this is called, like a waffle, it's not a waffle knit. I don't know what the texture is called, but I got it in white, and it's like a little 2-piece sweat set. So it comes with the sweatshirt and the sweatpants, and I got it in white and then gray. And then I got these slippers, and these are like the dupes for the Uggs. And I actually bought these with my own money way before I even got this partnership, because I thought they were so cute. And then I got some other ones too, and I've been wearing these like nonstop. So I really like those, got that. And then I don't know if I'm gonna include this one or not. Like I honestly might just stick with these pieces, but I also got the super fluffy throw blanket. it. I think I might include this one if I'm gonna make it more of like a cozy gift guide, because this would be a great gift as well. I don't think she watches my videos, so I feel like I'm safe to say it, but I actually grabbed this because Austin's mom's really been wanting like a cozy blanket for Christmas, so I grabbed that one for her. So if I do it for more like a gift guide type of reel, I might include this, but if not, like just like cozy things you need for Christmas or for winter, like I'll probably just do like these 4 items. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start filming that. I'll show you guys all the pieces on, just in case you guys are like curious. I'm gonna plug in my cute little Christmas tree that's here in the corner. I think I'm gonna shoot it. This is typically, if you guys follow me on Instagram, this is typically like where I film my little like outfit videos and everything. So I think I'm gonna stand like right here. So have my little Christmas tree on. Okay, this is the first set. Super, super cozy. The pants are high-waisted. They have little pockets, which is so fun. And then I'm just wearing the little slippers. Okay, and then this is the same set, but in gray. They're honestly so comfy. I think they're just like so cute. These are perfect winter essentials and I love them. Okay, and then last one, this is the robe. Is this not like the most comfy looking robe you've ever seen? I wish you guys could feel this right now. This thing is so freaking soft. It's like the perfect length. It has pockets. It's so cozy. I actually got this one in a size 2X because this is the only one that they had available and I needed a robe for this reel. So this one's a size 2X. So if you guys need a good robe and you like really fuzzy things, go grab this one because this one's so comfy. How much is this one? Oh, it is only $29, which is a great price for robes. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and shoot this one for the reel, and then I think that'll be the last thing, and then we'll be done with the reel, which is good because the sun's like starting to go down already. So I'm losing a little bit of light because like my bedroom doesn't have good lighting in it anyways. It has really bad lighting. So I always have to shoot whenever it's like at the highest of sunlight. So anyways, gonna go ahead and finish doing that and then I'll check in with you guys when I'm done. Okay, it's quite a bit later. It's actually like a lot later. It's almost 7 p.m. I've been doing absolutely nothing but like sitting on my laptop. I've been editing. I had some emails that I needed to do. I needed to like upload stuff. I needed to edit that reel. So I've been at it for several hours. I'm definitely getting a little tired of editing and I'm ready to be done. I think I only have a few more things to do. I also made the thumbnail for today's video, which I think is so cute. I've honestly been really proud of my thumbnails for Vlogmas so far. I really like them. I think they're super fun and festive, which I feel like it's such a rare thing for me to actually like the work that I do, because usually I'm like such a harsh, I don't know about a harsh critic. I just feel like half the stuff that I do is trash and I just don't like it. So for me to be like pleased with something I do is a rare occurrence. So it always makes me very happy whenever I actually like something that I do. Anyways, I'll show you guys the thumbnail for this. Well, you guys are already gonna see it. I'm gonna show you guys it anyways because I'm excited about it. Okay. This is the little thumbnail. I thought it was super cute, very like festive. I kind of like doing like the 4 pictures. I don't know. I feel like it's a little bit more interesting than my normal thumbnails because I've been very bored of those. So anyways, that is this video's thumbnail. It is seriously freezing outside. I also sit like a 5-year-old, so don't mind this. My grandma used to always get me in trouble for sitting like this at the table when I was a kid. But like, I don't know why, like it followed me into adulthood. I always like sit with one knee up. It's so weird. But yeah, it is seriously so cold. I don't know what happened because like earlier I think it was like 79 or something. Like it was really warm because I talked to my mom on the phone earlier today and she's like, oh yeah, did you see like how nice it is outside? Like it's almost like 80 degrees. I'm like, what? And I just now checked the temperature because I opened the door to let the dogs out and it is freezing. Like it's so cold. That's one thing about the Midwest, is it just like, it's such a huge fluctuation. Like I love the cold, but I just don't love when it's like 80 degrees in the daytime and then as soon as the sun sets it goes down to like 35 degrees. Like I feel like there needs to be like a gradual change. You can't just have it be like polar opposites. But anyway, so it is super cold and it's also really windy. I was thinking of maybe going to walk around and see Christmas lights this evening, but I think it's going to be too cold for that and I don't want to be like miserably cold and windy. So I'm thinking tonight we might make some Christmas cookies, and I don't know if maybe we want to make some like homemade hot chocolate, or maybe we'll make some like Christmas drinks. I don't know, we'll see. I have a bunch of like really yummy, or at least they look yummy, I haven't tried them yet, like Christmas drinks on my Pinterest that I really want to make. So maybe we'll do that, watch a little Christmas movie. I was wanting to do like for 12 days of Vlogmas, I was wanting to do like 12 Christmas movies every single night, but like last night was just, I got in way too late and like I did not want to sit there and watch a 2-hour movie at midnight. So I didn't last night, but I definitely want to watch a little cozy Christmas movie tonight, especially since it's so cold outside. I feel like it's just the perfect night to cozy up, have some cookies and a little drink or hot chocolate or something, and then watch a movie. So I think that's the plan for this evening. I probably need to go to the store to actually get stuff, which I'm kind of dreading because it's so freaking cold outside and so windy. But anyways, I think I'm going to wrap up work for the day. I got some editing done, but I will get like the rest of it done tomorrow. I got most of my emails done. Let me make sure I don't have any new emails. Okay, no, I feel like these are all fine. Wait, I just need to reply to that one. Okay, so I have like one more email that I need to do, and then I think I'm pretty much done with work for the day, which is nice. Okay, this is what we're wearing to the store to go get stuff to make cookies. This is really just like not that cute of an outfit, but I kind of also don't care because it's freezing outside and I'm literally just going to get stuff to make cookies. I am wearing these like UGG dupes from Walmart, and shout out to whoever said that these were socially acceptable to wear again, because I can now wear slippers in public and it's socially acceptable. Okay, these are the cookies I decided to make. They're like the vegan chocolate crinkle cookies, and I've never had them before, and I love the website Nora Cooks. She has such good stuff, so we're gonna try to make these. So we're looking for all the ingredients for that stuff. I'm so excited. These look so good. I just found these like peppermint baking chips, and I wish so bad that they were vegan, because how good would that be in those little like chocolate cookies? I feel like that would be so yummy, but sad that they're not vegan. If you guys know of any vegan like peppermint chips, let me know. I'm also getting these. If you guys have never had them, they're so good. They have a milk chocolate kind and then a dark chocolate, and their dark chocolate one is vegan, but they are so good. You wouldn't think that quinoa crisp would be good. These are so yummy. And then Austin wanted to make some Mexican hot chocolate, so we got some of this that we found that's actually vegan, so super excited for that. I think I'm gonna grab some of this too. I don't know if this is gonna be good or if I should try the Sprouts one. Maybe we'll try this one. We'll see if this is good. Okay, I just got all my cookie stuff out. We're about to make cookies. I'm so excited. I know I kind of showed it to you guys in the store. I'm making these vegan chocolate crinkle cookies. They look so good. I've never actually had these before, and I've always wanted to try them because I think they just look so yummy. So we're gonna make them tonight, and I'm so excited. I'll have this recipe linked down below, but all you need for it is sugar, coconut oil, ground flax seeds, because I'm making them like vegan, so without any eggs, non-dairy milk, vanilla extract, flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, salt, and powdered sugar. So got all of that. I also grabbed, because I saw someone in the comments, because you know like Pinterest has comments and everything, saying that they added in some peppermint. So I got some peppermint flavor to add that in, because I thought that'd be really yummy to have like chocolate pepperminty cookies. I think while I make the cookies, I'm gonna put on the Santa Claus. I love the Santa Claus series. I think they're so cute. So I have like the TV right in front of my kitchen, so I think I'm gonna put on a little Christmas movie while I bake. And then I think for you guys, I'm gonna do a little time lapse with some Christmas music in the back, so I can watch the movie and cook. And I'll have the recipe down below, like I said, if you guys want to know like all the things to put in there. So let's go ahead and make some cookies. I'm so excited. Just finished making the dough, and oh my gosh, I just took a little bite and they're so freaking good. I cannot wait for these to be baked so I can eat them. I feel like these definitely might be one of my new like favorite holiday cookies. I'm gonna roll them into little cookies and then roll them in the powdered sugar, and then we'll pop them in the oven. The dough is so yummy. I'm like sitting over here eating it. I'm totally that person that like eats all the dough before the cookies are even done, but they are so good. They said the more powdered sugar that you put on them, the better that they crackle, so I have been like loading them up with powdered sugar. So hopefully these turn out good. Or making like the biggest mess, but that's okay because it's a cookie mess. And then we have little Layla over here. Hi, sweet girl. She's so funny. She's a mini Aussie. This is Austin's dog. She likes laying down, and we call it splooting. Do you just sploot? Yes, you are so cute. Look how cute you are. Yeah. Right now we keep her and the other dog separate just because Harper is like extremely, oh, I'm sorry, I'm dropping powdered sugar on your face. But Harper is like super territorial, so just because she's so teeny tiny, I think she's like what, 15 pounds? 10 pounds?
About 15.
So we're kind of keeping them separate for now, just while they're getting used to each other to prevent any incidents, because we don't want anything like that to happen, because Kaiser Duke could eat her in 2 seconds. Yeah. See, your face is the size of Kaiser Duke's paw. I think she wants a cookie. No cookies for you. No cookies. Oh, I know. You're so cute. You are so cute with no cookies for you. I know. All right, all the cookies are on here. We're gonna put them in the oven. I don't know how long it's set to bake. It's probably like 10 to 15 minutes. Cookies are cooking. Also, you guys, be proud of me. I almost drank my entire water bottle, and you guys know I'm so bad about drinking water, so very excited I actually drank this whole thing. I love this water bottle. It's so convenient, and shout out to Megan for an amazing water bottle. We're gonna go chill out on the couch for a little bit, watch the movie, and then I'll let you guys know when the cookies are done. Okay, cookies are done. Oh, these look so good. They said on these ones you have to like let them cool for a little bit, so I think I'm gonna let them sit for like 15 minutes or so, and then we'll try one. Okay, cookies are cool, time to try them. Are you ready?
Yes.
Cheers.
Isn't that amazing?
Rating.
9.5.
What do you take the half off for?
So that can use like a little topping on top, you know?
You know, it'd be so good on these, and it'd be like extra if you like really, I feel like I have like powdered sugar all over my mouth. But it would be so good if you put like chocolate chips in these.
In the center?
Like in the mix, yeah, in the dough. Wouldn't that be good? I feel like that would be like, that'd be a lot of chocolate. So if you like a lot of chocolate, I would add chocolate chips in here. Kai's like squeaking his balls, so if it's really loud, that's why.
Melty, chocolatey center.
A melted chocolate in the center. That'd be good too. I feel like you could do so many things with these, but these are so good. So we ended up cooking them like a little bit longer than you're supposed to, but they turned out so perfect because they're kind of like crunchy on the outside and like gooey on the inside, right? So good.